Hello guys, in this video we are gonna make that beautiful YouTube award card that they give out to those that have over 10,000 um, YouTube subscribers. So the first thing you're gonna do is to create a new artboard, which is YouTube thumbnail artboard. Then you go ahead to create a circle. You'll be creating three of these type of circles. The first one, we're gonna give it a color of black. Then the next one, you create another one too and give it white color. Make sure you center the circles to the middle of the screen. Second one, we are going to give it white color. Put it at the center of the screen, probably at the center of the first one. Then we create the third circle. This one we are going to give it black color. Position it properly to the center. Make sure you lock all the three circles. Now we are going to create a text. The text that will be at the top, like 10,000 subscribers, something like that. Make sure that everything is on caps. Then move that to the top of the group of circles after you change the font. Now we want it to be in form of a circle. That's fine. We're gonna lock that as well. So the next thing we wanna do now is to create a rectangle that we use to create our YouTube play button. So create a rectangle, give it some border radius, position it to the center of the page, and take it a little bit up close to the 10K subs. Like that. Then the next thing we want to do is to create another object. It will be a triangle. Give this color of black, reduce the size, and change the angle. Position it to the center of the rectangle, just like you see YouTube play button. You know, the triangle is at the center of the rectangle. That's what we want to do here. Once you have that, make sure you lock everything. So the next thing you want to do now is to create another text and type YouTube. Change the font. Make sure you position it, increase the size and position it to the center of the screen, probably the center of the three circles. make sure, and then the next thing you have to do is to merge every object that you have on the page. Okay, once you merge those, what you want to do now again is to create a rectangle and merge that as well. So now you want to go ahead and change the fill color. Yeah, erase the color, then you are gonna fill this with texture. I already downloaded some texture background, so I'll be using this silver texture. You look okay. See, this doesn't really work well the way we want it to be. There's a mistake, just undo it. Go back, create another rectangle, give it black color, and match this rectangle to the already merged circles. Fine, you are gonna go ahead and give this a texture color. Now we have the expected result. So what you want to do now is to um give it some 3D. Yep, just play around with the settings here. Don't forget to play around with the shadow as well. Just play around with the settings till you get what you want. I believe you can get everything you want in terms of 3D in this settings page. Good. Play around with the shadow as well. And we are getting closer to the end of this tutorial, guys, but we have achieved the desired result. The remaining things now is just to put some little finishing to it. Once we are done, we are gonna go ahead to give it a silver background as well, and this is very perfect. It looks great, guys. Then we are gonna save the picture. It's rendering. It's rendering. Wow, that's saved. This is cool, guys. That we have come to the end of this video. Thank you.